In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a line in Word for Resume. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open up your Word document that you want to insert a line into. Then go ahead and click on the Insert tab. After that, just go to the Shape section, then choose Lines. Just click on one of them. Then drag the line across the page. And now the line has been created. All you have to do is to choose the style. There are many styles of lines, as you can see. Let's choose this. Now to make it bigger, just right-click on it, go to Outline, and then go to Weight and choose the way you want. You can also choose the color, so go ahead and do it. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.